Good evening, all of you. Welcome, you guys. Welcome you, all of you. Welcome to the live sessions. And today we are going to have a great session, that is the practice session on sequential circuits, part 5. The last class we have discussed some of the questions we have completed. In the today's course, we are going to finish the remaining topics. And this course will be helpful for the branches of CSIT, ECE, electrical, and IN also. So use this course properly to clear all your doubts. And all of the students, whatever the doubts you have, you can post your doubts. I'll discuss all your doubts in this class. Okay, chalo, let's start now here, all of you. Let's start now here. And before starting our sessions, and we have this great announcement. Meanwhile, you fellows, all of you do post your queries and all to me. Then I have a small announcement from the Unacademy. There is a chance to get flat 67% discount. It's a great huge offer. 67% discount there is a chance to get. Use this opportunity to avail. Yes, now here, and for the 12 months, if you have taken, you will get additionally 4 months, and you need to pay just 35,000 rupees for the plus ke liye. For this iconic ke liye 47, and if you have taken 6 months, you have to pay just 14,000. So, and use a code of BV Reddy and to avail the additional discounts. And the code of BV Reddy, which is applicable for all your courses. Right. So, chalo, हम शुरू करेगा. So, and you can find the top educators team. You can find this educator will guide you to get your great success. Many students achieve their success. Now it's time for you. You can start your preparation seriously. Chance to get the 67% discount, not even before, not even after. The great discounts. And you can use the code of BV Reddy. Avail this opportunity. Fine. And another great news, that is for the DS and AI K 2024 ke liye, we are very nearby. So this is just 9999. Just 9999 you can achieve this thing. Use this code to avail the great discounts. Now, and another great news is, and Subba Reddy sir is going to start the discrete maths from the 29th September onwards. These are the top educators of Unacademy. You can learn from these top educators. Now these are the 2025 के लिए भी नया बैच शुरू होने वाला. So you can find the top educators. And daily scholarship tests are available, and the rank 1 fellow will get 50% discount. For top 1 percentile will get 30% discount, 10% will get 15%, up to 90 percentile will get 10% discount milega. And you can plan your Unacademy subscription with no cost EMI without having any additional charges. You can avail it. All of you do like the session and share to all your friends. Now we are going to start our discussions. Right. Yeah, tell me now here, if you do have any queries and all, you can share your queries. I will discuss your queries now in this session. I will plan to discuss. I'll discuss all your queries. Fine. Do join the session, share to all your friends. Is the screen is visible to you properly? You can have a look at here. Is the screen is properly visible to all of you? Shall we start now? In the last class we have completed the 78 questions we have completed. Now let's continue the remaining problems. Take down. In the sequential circuit shown below, if the initial value of the output is given as a 0 0, what is the next four values of Q1 and Q0? Yeah, first of all you can tell me now a concept type counter. You tell me what type of counter is it? A synchronous as asynchronous? You tell me. So ये तो asynchronous दिख रहा कि नहीं बोलो? अलग अलग clocks asynchronous. इससे बाद so here this external clock is given here, so ये तो LSB होगा and this is a MSB होगा. I am calling this thing as a Q0 and this as a Q1 I am calling. After 4 clock pulses we need to see the state, right? You can see now here initial state is given as 0 0. Now can you tell me now this is what type of counter? You can see now here T value given 1, so the clock is Q. So what type of counter? You tell me now here clock is given as a Q and this is a positive edge trigger ना. So अभी ये क्या है? So plus Q. That means अभी ये कौन सा स्टेट में आई बोलो? अभी ये मजा करने वाला स्टेट में है ना. So this is अभी ये कौन सा स्टेट में आई बोलिए? So this is the सुख में आई ना. सुख में आई तो सुख के बाद क्या आएगा? अगर आपने आज एंजॉय किया तो, अगर आपने आज एंजॉय किया तो क्या होगा? कल आपको दुख मिलेगा कि नहीं बोल? So that means this is what counter you can say now here? Down counter. So that means this is what counter? Down counter. As we know here asynchronous counter में केवल fixed sequence is possible, isn't it? So you can tell me now this is Q1 and Q0. Yes, when the clock is 0. So initial state is given as 0 0. They are asking the first 4 clock pulses, the pattern they are asking to find. या अभी बोलिए ना इधर नेक्स्ट में क्या आएगा? फर्स्ट क्लॉक पल्स डाउन काउंटर इट विल गो टू द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 1 1, इसके बाद 3, इसके बाद 2 आएगा, इसके बाद 1 आएगा, इसके बाद क्या आएगा? टेल मी ना. 0 आएगा. दिस इज द पैटर्न. यू टेल मी. सो कौन सा ऑप्शन? टेल मी हियर. सो 3 2 1 0. Yes, option A. बोलिए. Is this point clear to all of you? So it's a down counter. The down counter पहले 0, initial state is 0. First clock pulse apply करने के बाद it will go to maximum. इसके बाद down decrease होने वाला. चलो next one. इस CSC का क्वेश्चन है ना. सो वेरी मच लॉजिकल इन DLD में. DLD में बहुत लॉजिकल क्वेश्चंस आने वाला. देखो बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चन ये भी. Now look at now here. Tell me now this is what type of counter? You tell me first of all. What type of counter is it? Synchronous या asynchronous? You tell me first of all. This is it is a synchronous counter or asynchronous counter? This is a बोलिए. Synchronous counter. Same clock जरा ना. Same clock is there. So means this is called as a synchronous counter. So tell me now synchronous counter के लिए identification of this mod number के लिए हमने क्या करना पड़ेगा? तो सीक्वेंस के लिए टेबल बनाना पड़ेगा. So ठीक है टेबल बना लो पहले. Now you can see this inputs now here. So D0 and what the D0 is going to tell me? The D0 which is equal to Q0 bar. D0 is a Q0 bar and whatever D1 here tell me. So Q1 bar. Yes, so this is D1 is what? Tell me here Q0 XOR with what? Tell me Q1 bar. So ये क्या है? So this is the XNOR gate. Now tell me, this is the property of a XNOR. हमने देखा, which is nothing but what I can say here, Q0 XNOR with Q1, right? इसके बाद now we need to find this thing as a Q1 Q2s. The pattern we need to identify. So this is my Q0 and this is my Q1. Yes, पहले इनिशियल स्टेट बोले क्या है? इनिशियल स्टेट क्या है? सो ठीक है, दिया कि नहीं? इनिशियल स्टेट गिवन 0 0 0 0. या टेल मी दिस इज 1 होगा, दिस इज 1. टेल मी नाउ हियर डी फ्लिप फ्लॉप कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन q प्लस इज इक्वल टू इनपुट ओनली. नेक्स्ट टेल मी नाउ हियर q नॉट बार 0 होगा, this is 1, so this is 0, this is 1. q naught bar 1 and this is 0. Tell me now what I will get? 1 and this is 0 and q naught bar, so this is 0 बनेगा and ये क्या है? So this is 0. So अभी क्या है? This is 0, this is 0. Now you can see this is the pattern. You can see this is the pattern. Now you tell me. So first we are getting as what? Tell me now here. I am getting, अगर 0 0 तो शुरू हुआ तो 0 0 के बाद क्या आया मुझे? 1 1 आया. 1 1 के बाद क्या आया? Tell me the 0 1 आया. 0 1 के बाद we got it as a 1 0 and 1 0 के बाद हमको 0 0 मिला. 1 0 के बाद हमको 0 0 मिला. राइट, सो कौन सा ऑप्शन? टेल मी. ऑप्शन डी है. नेक्स्ट टेल मी दिस थिंग हियर. फॉर द सर्किट शोन द काउंटर स्टेट Q1 Q0 follows the sequence. Yes, now here also you tell me now ये कौन सा टाइप काउंटर? सिंक्रोनस है, एसिंक्रोनस? you tell me. ये सिंक्रोनस काउंटर. सिंक्रोनस काउंटर सेम क्लॉक है. हियर दे गिवन द Q0 Q1. अगर आपने ध्यान से देखा तो ये Q0 क्या गया एंड Q1 क्या गया, आप ही देख लो. Yeah. Now tell me now D naught. D naught is going what to tell me here? This is Q naught Q1. So this is what I can say here. Q naught plus Q1 whole bar. This is the NOR gate. Next, whatever the D1 you tell me, D1 is going what? D1 is going as a Q naught is going. Now which is given as what you will get now here? Q naught and Q1. इनिशियल स्टेट क्या दिया? इधर मेंशन नहीं किया, 0 0 मान लो इनिशियल स्टेट को. टेल मी नॉर गेट. सो दिस इज 1 एंड दिस इज 0. क्या होगा? टेल मी. दिस इज 1 एंड 0. नॉर गेट 0 and 1, so it will becomes what? Tell me now. 0, this is 1, so it is again 0, this is 1, 0 1. अरे वाह, क्या हो रहा इधर? Yes, next what happens now here? It is what we are getting now, you tell me. Next one again 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. But they ask the sequence is Q1 first, Q0 next. So that means what? The Q1 and this is Q0 they asking now. So now tell me now here what are the Q0 here? So first one initially both are 0 0. Next what will get in now? Q0, this is 1. Okay, Q1 1 0. Next 1 0 1 0. Is a continue or you check it now here? Q1, these are first Q1, Q0s are zeros you see. So कौन सा option? Tell me now here. Option B. That means अगर आपने ध्यान से देखा, कोई हुआ क्या, चेक करा एक बार। इस 0 0 0 1 1 0, कोई गलत किया क्या, चेक करो। हमने सही किया ना, ठीक है, हम और एक बार करेगा। So take the inputs now properly. D naught is given as Q naught Q1 whole bar. D1 is given as a Q naught. Okay. Initial state is 0 0. Yes, so this is 1. So this is 0. We will get this as 1 0. Next 0 plus 1 NOR gate now. So this is 1. This is 0. 0 and Q naught is, एक सेकेंड इधर कुछ गलत किया क्या, एक बार। Right, so tell me now here, this is what we'll get now, this is 0, isn't it? 0, Q naught is 1. So what I'll get now, this is 0. So this is 0, okay, and this is 1. Next, so this is NOR gate, so this is 0, Q naught is 0. Okay, so we'll get it as what, tell me now either 0 0 ion. This is the sequence you see. Okay, so means what I am getting now here, tell me 0 0, इसके बाद what I am getting now here 0 1, next 1 0 0 0. This is the pattern we are getting 0 0 0 1. No, 1 1 won't come, so remove this 1 1. This is wrong. So option A, this thing. So this is 1 1 won't come. Done. Chalo, next problem. Yeah, take this problem. Yes, here counter you tell me now, either be synchronous counter. So this is what, tell me now here, synchronous counter na, and synchronous counter same clock. They are asking to find what, tell me now either QA only they are asking to find. They are asking to find only the QA. So here also we need to form a tabular form, we need to form it now. Here also we need to form a tabular form. Here we have D flip-flop. Whenever we have D flip-flops, we can able to do the block diagram analysis easily. So can I develop the block diagram for the D flip-flops? We'll develop the block diagrams whenever we have a D flip-flop. Why? Because in case of D flip-flop, output equal to input only. So I am calling this is my QA, this is QB, this is QC, and this is which gate, XNOR gate. This is which gate to tell me now here, XNOR gate. Now let's see this thing. They are asking to find only QA value output. Yeah, initially they given this is reset, the reset conditions. Okay. Thereafter we need to talk about the working. Yes, all of you do share the session to all your friends and ask them to join. Now you tell me now here. We can form a table form here. This is clock and we are calling this as QA and this is QB and this is QC. So here clock 0 initially all values are reset हो गया, ठीक है. Same clock na, how it is asynchronous? Same clock is there na, same clock you see. How it is asynchronous? Synchronous. Oh sorry, it is asynchronous. Sorry. This is synchronous. Same clock na. It is a synchronous, not asynchronous. Sorry, I wrote instead of synchronous, I wrote asynchronous. Galat. Yes. So you can see. Now first clock you tell me now here what the QA is getting now XNOR. XNOR between these two now QB and QC. What I will get now 1. A 1 either shift होगा. A shifting will be done or not. इधर आएगा. A either shift होगा. So this 1. Next second clock apply करने के बाद these two 1. This 1 will come here. This is 0. Next third clock 0 1 1. Fourth clock क्या होगा इधर? So this is 1 0 1. Fifth clock 0 1 0. Sixth clock 1 0 1. ऐसा आएगा, चेक करो. So this is 0 or 1? 0, this is 0, sorry. Now they are asking to find what, tell me now here, only QA outputs now. This is the pattern of QA. You check it now here, कौन सा option satisfy होगा? QA कौन सा option satisfy होगा? 0 1 1 0 1 1. So option D check करो. 0 1 1 0 1 0 0. Yes, option D. Right. Chalo next one. Consider the following circuit involving 3 D-type flip-flop used in a certain type of configurations. If some instance prior to the occurrence of the clock edge P, Q, R have 0, 1, 0. Yes, initially they are saying that P value 0, Q value 1 and R value 0 they given. So this is 0, 1, 0. Okay. Now they are asking after clock, they are asking to find the outputs. Yeah, look at now, if this is 0, you can check this input of this thing here. This is what, tell me here, D का इधर first one input यहाँ से आया. This is so this value will be what, tell me, 0. Check करो carefully. And then what now here, this one it is going to here. Yeah, this is 0, one is 0, the other one is going this as, yeah. This is 0 0. Check it all of you. Next, so this and this is 1, this 1 is coming here and this is 0 means this is 1. Okay, now we can see the inputs are the D flip-flop. Input of D flip-flop, you tell me now there, Abhi. So this D flip-flop input is 0. So this is what I mean, 0 0 means 1. And this is also 1. So then what happens now, P value क्या होगा after clock pulse? 0. Q value क्या होगा? This is 1. And R value क्या होगा? 1. ये था option now, tell me, P Q R 0 1 1. So option D. Chalo, next problem. If all the flip-flops were reset to 0 0 at power on, what is the total number of distinct outputs represented by PQR? That means they are asking to find the indirectly mod number. So that means they are asking to find the mod number only. Here synchronous counter. Here what type of counter you tell me now? Synchronous or asynchronous? So either synchronous counter. So we need to form a tabular form. Carefully देखो inputs क्या inputs दिया. Locate now here. First of all, we are calling this as 1. This is the 2. This is the 3. We have been naming the counters, flip flops. We can say this is now here D1. D1 क्या दिया? You see this thing here D1. कहाँ से आया? Tell me now there. D1 का input ये यहाँ से. That means what we can say this is Q3. Q3 से आया. Next D2 का input कहाँ से आया? You tell me. D2 का input. So this is कहाँ से आया? Yes, Q3 and Q1. So this is what we can say Q1 plus Q3 का bar. Check करो. इस connections carefully observe करो. Next D3 की कहाँ से आया बोलो? D3. So either one is Q2, the other one is Q3 bar. This is one is Q2 and the other one is Q3 bar. Now you can see the outputs. What I will get now here Q1, Q2 and this is Q3. अभी बोलो initial state मान लेता 0 0 0. So tell me now D1 is equal to Q3. So mean 0 होगा. This is 1 0. Right. So this is 0 1 0. Next Q3 0. Q1 plus Q3 bar. So this is 1. Q2 into Q3 bar 1. So 0 1 1. Next one 1 0 0. So this is 1 0 0. So क्या होगा Q3? So this is 0 and 0 and 0 0 0 0. Yes, this is the state now. Right, you can see. Please mention the important topics for digital logic for CS. So here, remember one thing. So you are not preparing for the university exams to give the important questions or important topics. ये chapters में questions मिलेगा, हम बोलेगा ये कौन सा है यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम के लिए. सो रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन देख के हमको पता चलेगा. You are preparing for the competitive exams. Competitive exams में we cannot say क्या questions मिलेगा, क्या questions नहीं मिलेगा. So mostly the questions for the DLD, so definitely you can get a minimum 3 marks will come sequential circuits में आएगा. But लेकिन ये sequential circuits समझने के लिए आपको पहले लॉजिक गेट चाहिए, के मैप चाहिए, कॉम्बिनेशन भी चाहिए. Without completing the logic gates, K map and combination circuits, you cannot touch any, you cannot able to understand anything in the sequential circuits. Then what we can do? So इसीलिए so here, so अगर आपने कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर किया तो here, so हर टॉपिक इम्पोर्टेंट मानना पड़ेगा. एक टॉपिक ये टॉपिक में you should not leave it. So nowadays the problems are not framing on single topics, they are framing the one problem, they are framing such that it should be cover all the topics of subject, maximum topics. Sometimes the one problem it is covering the two subjects also, they are mixing the one subject with the other subject also. Okay, that's why we cannot say here ye important topic guy, we can't say, that's the reason. So but the sequentials में definitely आपको 3 marks को मिलेगा. So but to go for the sequential you should be confident in the बाकी topics में भी complete करना पड़ेगा. So that's a reason. So here that's what we need to say. right? So here, if you want, what we can able to do here, first of all the topics of lectures you have to complete first thing. All the lectures you complete, and bus. With that, if you are not able to finish the PYQs, etc., all the questions, better you finish all the topics of class you can attend. Complete, then with that you can able to solve the questions. Chalo, next one. Two T flip-flops are interconnected as shown in figure. The present state of the flip-flops A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. The input X is given as 1, 0, 1. In the next 3 clock cycles, the decimal equivalent of A, B, Y is. Okay. Yeah, see this problem A, B, both important problem. Right, first of all, what they given, you see this thing here. Let's form a tabular form here. Now these are T flip-flops are given, right? And we need to find this as a tabular form. We can do here clock and A and B, and for this output is Y they given. Form a tabular form. Initially they given these values. The present state of the flip-flops given us like this 1 1 when the clock is equal to 0. When the clock is equal to 0, the present state, which is A value 1, B value 1. So then obviously A1, B1 means Y value is 1. But they are not asking this thing. First clock pulse, second, third. These three we need to observe it. Now tell me now, first clock pulse. In the input is given as, first one is given X value given as 1. So here this is X value 1 given. This is the B value is how much now? 1 will go here. Next here, this is X value, this is input is 1. Now what is the input of the T flip-flop? So this is 0 and this is 1. T flip-flop input is 1. Then initial state, it is a hold state mein aayega. So this is the hold only. Now this is 1, so it will be come to the toggle state now. So what is the output now? 1. So out Y is nothing but A plus B simply. Next, come into the second clock pulse. Did you understand this thing? Now, इसके बाद अभी देखो इधर now look at now input they given as X value, second clock pulse input given as 0. Input is 0. Then see this thing here, what happens now? B value is what? Tell me 0. 0 इधर आएगा. Then this will be 1 and B value, X value 0. This output input is 0. T is equal to 1, so it will becomes what? Tell me toggle. Previously 1, now it will become 0 na. So 0, this is the 0. Now it is what? Tell me 0 आएगा Y value. Next, and third clock pulse, you tell me what they given. Third clock pulse they given as X value given as 1. If it is 1, B value क्या है? 0. Right, so then it will becomes what? Tell me 1 and this is 1. 1 given, it is a toggle mode में जाएगा 1. So B, this is also toggle mode, then Y value 1. They given that A, B, Y, this is the sequence, this is a binary. They asking the decimal equivalent of this thing 1, 1, 1, 2. So then how much this value? Tell me this value, which is equal to 7 na? The decimal equivalent number. So this is binary to decimal we can convert. This is a 7. So the answer we should enter this value as what? Tell me 7. ये तो बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है. देखो done, completed. Next, take the next one. If the circuit shown the clock frequency, that is the frequency of the clock signal is given as a 12K, the frequency of the signal at Q2 they are asking to find. So this is what type of counter you can see now here, synchronous counter. Synchronous counter. So mod number of each flip-flop is same only, complete counter. So output, yes, frequency of output which is given as, which we can say this as f clock by mod number. So we need to find this mod number, we have to find now. Let's see, and this is what type of flip-flops are given, D flip-flops. We can try with the block diagram से try करेगा. We'll try with the block diagram say we can try it. And they given this as what, tell me, Q1 bar and Q2 bar. So here is fine, we can try the tabular form again. So you can see now D1 is equal to what, tell me, which is equal to Q1 bar into Q2 bar, and what D2 value given as a simply Q1. So we can say this as Q1 and this is Q2. Initial state mention किया कि नहीं चेक करो, mention नहीं तो 0 0 0 मान लो, 0 0 mention. So here 0 0, so this is 1 and this is 0. क्या आएगा, 1 0 आया. Now it is tell me now 0 1, so this is 0 1. इसके बाद tell me now इधर क्या आएगा इधर, so 0 फिर भी, and this is also 0 0 0. So this is the mod 3 counter na. So means what I can say, 12K by 3. So which is equal to 4K. Yeah. Got it, all of you tell me. Next one. And what are the counting states of the counter shown in figure? Here they given this flip flop is a JK flip flops. So हमने पूरा टेबल फॉर्म करना पड़ेगा. JK flip flop ना. So केयरफुली टेबल फॉर्म करना पड़ेगा हमने. ध्यान से देखो. Yes, tell me now here. J1 which is given as कहाँ से देख लो, कहाँ Q2 bar से. Okay, J1 is what, tell me now here, Q2 bar, and K1 is, that is also Q2 bar only na. And what have the J2, you tell me. J2 is given as Q1 bar, and K2 is given as a 1, and we'll get this as a Q1 and this is Q2. So initial states 0 0 हमने मान ली है. So J Q2 bar which is equal to 1 1, Q1 bar 1 1. So J1 toggle na, right. Q2 bar means what, tell me, 0 0 0, this is 1. So it is a hold state 1 and this is a reset state. अभी क्या है, Q2 bar means 1 1, Q1 bar means 0 1. क्या है अभी ये, दिस इज अ टॉगल में आएगा, दिस इज द होल स्टेट. ये वापस आया, यू कैन सी द पैटर्न ऑफ हियर 0 0, आफ्टर दैट 0 1. दिस इज द पैटर्न, यू सी 0 0, आफ्टर दैट 1 1. सो कौन सा ऑप्शन आएगा, टेल मी. या ऑप्शन सी. check it, sorry, A, option A. First 1 1 1 0 0 0. That's in that form they given. You see this thing here. Yes, CSC का question है PYQ. देख लो. Either they given this as what, tell me. What they given, you can see carefully. Both are initially reset. They are asking the outputs now. Third clock pulse, fourth clock pulse we required. It's a T flip flop and D flip flop. Different flip flop they has connected. Okay. Now you tell me now here. So first T flip flop का input क्या है बोलो देखो. Which is given as a Q0. And D flip flop का input क्या है? That is a Q1. Then we can say this as a Q0. T flip flop का Q1 not and D flip flop का Q0. Right. Initial values mentioned or not? Q0 are set to 1 1. Both are 1 1 initially. So this is 1 and this is 1 before the clock. So this is 1 and this is 1. So it will be a toggle at T flip flop and 1, that is a 1. Next Q0, this is 1 and this is Q1 is 0. So it is a toggle, this is reset, and Q0 is 0, this is 1. So it is what, tell me now here, hold state, this is 1. And fourth clock pulse देखो क्या होगा इधर Q0. So this is 1 Q1 which is equal to 1. अभी क्या होगा इधर Q0 means what we can say here, T is equal to, this is a toggle में जाएगा, this is 1. अभी क्या होगा, tell me. 1 means 1. You can see now this is the third clock pulse में 1 1 and fourth clock pulse में, okay, they are asking the Q0 Q1 they are asking. Okay, so this is first Q0, then after Q1 they are asking. Now this order they are asking. In the third clock pulse, what I am getting now here? Yes, third clock. What we are getting, you tell me now here, 1 1. And what are the fourth clock, you tell me? Clock is 1 0. Now check the option now here. Third clock is, so here 1 1. Fourth clock is 1 0. 1 0 0 1. सही किया ना? Sorry. Yeah, either he confused. Either they given Q0 Q1, but option में Q1 Q0 given ना. Yeah, this fellow confused here. Option में कुछ ऐसा दिया. Option में here Q1 Q0 given, but either अलग type given. Okay, so that's why. Okay, here you can see Q1 Q0. So you tell me now. Q1 Q0. So here initially both are 1 1. Third clock pulse. Fourth clock pulse is what, tell me now here? We are getting 0 1. So this is, what's the option, tell me? Option B is correct. Next one. How many pulses are needed to change the content of 8-bit up counter. Yes, 1010 to this number. So here they want to change this number. The state is given as what we can see here. Initially they given as a 1010 to 1100, 8-bit register. And so can you tell me this number, how much this value? This value we can say this is now 0, 1, 2. Yes, 2 here. So this is 2 square. Yes, 2. 2 square means we'll get 4. And this is what now? 2 cube now? 8. And 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5, 32. 6, 0. And 7. 2 power 7, which is equal to 128. Can you tell me in what level I am there? So this value, how much now? 12, 12, this is 128. So this is total, it is 172. Check it all of you. And this is 172. Now they ask him to find, I need to reach to where? 0, 0, 1, 0 to 0, 1, 1, 1. So can you tell me how much this value? So this value, which is a 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus this is now this 16, 32, 64 plus 64. So how much this value? Is 32 only, na? Sorry, 32. So this value, how much now? 32 plus this value is 7. 7 means 39. Okay, so means this is what they given now here, up counter they are saying. So I have to go 172. 172, we need to count the maximum. Again I have to return back again. So this 172, this counter will go to up to 111, all ones tak jayega. So how much this value, tell me now? This is the 255. यहाँ से इधर आने के लिए how many clocks required, you tell me? How many clocks required? So the number of clocks required, what I can say now, 255 minus 172. So you can see now how much will get this value, 38. That is 83 clocks required, isn't it? These are how many clocks required, you can see now here, 83 clocks. 83 clocks और एक अप्लाई करने, एक क्लॉक अप्लाई करने के बाद 83 clock, and thereafter from here to here has to come. That means 255 to what where I need to come, 39 I have to come. यहाँ से इधर आने के लिए इसके बीच में और कुछ आए ना, जीरो भी आए ना, जीरो भी आए, जीरो भी हम काउंट करना पड़ेगा. सो एक क्लॉक से जीरो बनेगा एंड इसके बाद ये 39 आएगा. दैट मीन्स कितना होगा, टेल मी नाउ? 83 प्लस जीरो के लिए एक क्लॉक एंड आफ्टर दैट फ्रॉम हियर टू 39 क्लॉक्स लगेगा. टोटली कितना होगा, टेल मी? Totally how many clocks, you can tell me here? So this is 123 clocks. Check करके बोल. Here और एक this one, why? Because so 255 के बाद और एक क्लॉक अप्लाई करने के बाद ये वापस जीरो आएगा. It will come to zero. That is not counted now. We have to consider that also. Next one. These PDFs are available in my community. Rima, you can search in my profile. You can search in my profile. In my profile, you can get the all the full notes will come. All this PDF will come. All the questions will be available. This is a sequential part, not only sequential. You can get all the logic gates, Boolean algebra, K-maps, combinational, number system, all the complete notes, short notes also available. You can go and check in my community. Everything is available. You can go and check. So here there is in the description you can find my profile. You can find there. So here you can search in there B V Reddy. There you can get all the details you can get, and you can follow my profile. There you will get everything. Okay. So you can try this problem by tomorrow class. In the next class we will continue this problem. 92 onwards will continue. Okay. And tomorrow we have a session at 9 p.m. Tomorrow we have a session at 9 p.m. We have a class. And do follow the class tomorrow at 9 p.m. Okay. Okay, then see you by same channel, same Unacademy Computer Science only. Tomorrow you can get at 9 p.m. This session is available. Okay, then see you. Bye bye. Take care.